In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shake an image in Kapwing. If you're new to Kapwing, or simply looking to add a dynamic touch to your images, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can easily achieve a shaking effect with just a few clicks. First, we need to head over to Kapwing Studio, your starting point for this creative journey. Once there, you can upload or import the image you want to work with. This could be any image you desire, perhaps something from your personal collection or a stock image you've found. The choice is entirely yours. Simply drag and drop your file into the Kapwing interface, and you'll be all set to begin. If you haven't imported your image yet, you might want to take a moment to do that now. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Once your image is successfully uploaded, it's time to start a new project. Alternatively, if you've already begun working on something and this is a continuation, you can open an existing project. Within this project, add the image you want to animate. Take a moment to ensure the image is placed correctly within your project timeline. It acts as your canvas, so placing it correctly is key to achieving the desired effect. Next, let's make sure your image is actively selected. Click on the image layer so it becomes selected. You should notice that the image is outlined or highlighted, indicating that you're focusing on it specifically. This is important because the changes we make need to be applied to this specific layer. Now, cast your eyes to the right sidebar of your screen. Here in the sidebar, you'll find an array of options. Look for the option labeled Animate. Go ahead and click it. This button opens up a new realm of possibilities and brings us a step closer to achieving that engaging shake effect we're aiming for. Within the Animate menu, you'll find several options designed to bring your image to life. What we're after today is the intriguing Vibrate animation. This particular choice will give your image that shaking effect we're aiming for. It's essentially Kapwing's version of a shake effect, and it's perfect for creating an energetic and eye-catching result. After you've selected the Vibrate option, take a moment to preview your work. You should now see your image come to life with a gentle shake. If everything looks good, you're ready to export your project and share your newly animated image with the world. And there you have it. That's how you can add a dynamic shake effect to any image using Kapwing. With these steps, you can effectively enhance your projects with a touch of motion. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more creative tips and tricks.